I bet you would, Tony. Thought you said he was down the hill.
They were. I told Ken
Hey, look, a free bite. Jacob, it's Tanner's office. Look out, this doesn't have brakes. No, I'm riding it. Dude, let go.
No, I don't want to.
Too bad.
You already have a freaking BMX.
Fuck off. This is Tanner's really good bike. This was like $400 and I'm taking
Oh,
it.
crap.
What?
Guys, Tanner's coming.
I don't care. I'm gonna ride this down the hill.
Dude, it's too late. Tanner's there.
I don't care. Nope, finders keepers. Nope, finders keepers. Nope, finders keepers. Run, Tony, run! Okay, legitly run. Wow, I'm slow.
Run, man.
I have a bike and a camera.
Okay, ride it. Ride it, Jacob.
I thought you weren't supposed to
You
leave.
can't be the one who come at me.
Yeah.
She doesn't know.
Run! I'm the parkour this shit. Oh shit, dude, I'm getting out. I'm bailing. I want to grape you too.
Get me too.
Here, I got it. I can parkour this shit. No, you can't. That would. Oh, that's not good. Parkour fail.
See you later. Hey.
Bye-bye. I'm so afraid. Yeah, and I'll get mine.
Okay.
Have fun with that. Have fun. See you in a few. I love you. Not. Don't call me. Stop starting shit.
Oh no, he's got a baseball bat. See you, Dennis.
I love you.
Hey, Dennis. See ya. I don't care. And that was very different.
This shit's going on YouTube.
Did you record that?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Oh. Hey, Dennis! I was sending Tanner back his blood. You don't need to fucking run at me like a fucking angry bull.
I love you too, Mama. I'm so sexy. Yeah. No, I'll get something that hurts more than an airsoft gun. No, a knife.
No, because what the black airsoft gun, it says.
What are you talking about?
The black one.
I know he has a black one. Dirt to
No,
dirt.
that one's in your room.
Why were you in my room, asshole?
I wasn't. I saw it on
Oh,
the
bullshit.
bed.
Bullshit.
Looking for it.
Bullshit.
It was never on my bed. You know the code to our safe? No, it wasn't even in the safe.
How do you know?
Because I walked past your bedroom doorway.
Bullshit.
Our bedroom door is always shut.
Bullshit.
Hey Tanner, how's it going?
I'm just gonna walk over there and videotape.
Why? He already videotaped the video.
Our cops can't be called for that. That's trespassing.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, stay on their
You
yard.
might want to delete a video because Tanner videotaped the video of me and him singing.
Haha.
No, of me and him. He had it in his hand.